Fiverr is not worth it, and I am going to show you why. For the get noticed, share your gigs portion. And what they do is right here, if you come up on scale your business, you will learn that you need to go into LinkedIn or your social profiles and then share your gig. Well, here's the problem. They take 20%. Why would I share my gig? Why wouldn't I just share my own website and not get the 20% taken from me? Second reason, if you go under here, dashboard, and 3 steps to become a top seller. The other one is right here under get more skills and exposure. So if I go here to explore, learn, look at this. You have to pay to take courses to get more exposure. So again, you're essentially paying for your views on the platform. So take courses from experts, earn a badge, get more clients. The last reason that I would tell you that Fiverr is absolutely not worth it is if you look here, you can go up to change your profile and switch to buying. And what you can do is you can walk through and pretend like you're a buyer. So if you come down, so for me, I sell paid search campaigns. So if I go here and I look for paid search, so if I'm a buyer and I want to buy somebody to launch my paid search campaigns, I come up here and at first you look and you're like, okay, this is great. You know, you see people selling it, but look at these prices here from $5. Like that is ridiculous to be able to set up a campaign for $5. And so it's this whole concept of having to basically prove yourself. Well, I have like 20 years experience doing this. I'm not in this to prove myself. So again, hard no, hard pass. I would not recommend this at all. And then if you come up here, and I think this is what is really interesting. Yeah, there you go, new seller. So let's look at new sellers. Look how low these prices are. I mean, you can tell people are trying to lower their prices to get the business. And I can tell you that setting up a campaign, I mean, if we look at one of these people, this is going to be at least a day or so of work to set up someone's campaign and to do it thoroughly. And essentially they're doing this for, you know, $5, $30, $5. I would not recommend this platform. I think it's going to be a lot of work for low pay, hard pass.